guys, welcome to my channel. So today is another NEET series videos. I've already made the physics series. I'll link it down in the description box. Today's topic is important and difficult chapters in chemistry for NEET. But it's not very difficult. When I say difficult, I'll be mentioning the chapters which are actually very difficult. So let's get started. The first chapter is chemical kinetics. Not very difficult because it's about formulas. If you know the formulas, you know this chapter. It comes around 5.29%, which is a lot. And the second chapter is alcohol. Again, a lot, like almost 6% comes from alcohol chapter itself. Alcohol chapter is not very difficult because it's all about reactions. It's about all about oxidation, neutralization, and some sort of chemical changes. So it's not very difficult. Then the third chapter is P block. I have also mentioned it in my earlier videos how important P block is. So it comes around 5.8% to 6%, again a lot. पी ब्लॉक में द मेन थिंग जो तुम लोगों को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए इज़ उसके ट्रेंड्स एंड वो कैसे इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है या फिर वो कैसे डिक्रीज़ हो रहा है. ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है गाइज. लाइक for P block, this is the most important thing. And the next chapter is mole concept. That was a 2-minute pause because I wanted to breathe. For me, mole concept is the most difficult chapter because I am not good at maths and I just found mole concept so difficult to understand. Concept wise, it's an easy chapter. Concept wise, you should always get it right, but calculations are very lengthy. But in NEET, बहुत ही easy calculations दिए होते हैं. जैसे कि suppose the atomic mass is 44 grams, then the prescribed mass will be given as 88 grams. So it's very easy calculation. The next chapter is coordination compounds. It's nice. I like this chapter. It comes around 6%, so I really like this chapter. The next chapter was amines. I'm not a very big fan of amines chapter, even though I like basic organic chemistry, that is all the bondings and the reactions. Then amine will turn out to be a very easy chapter for you. It comes around 4%. Then the next chapter is alkanes, alkynes, and alkenes. That is the hydrocarbons. This is one of my favorite chapters. I really enjoyed doing hydrocarbons, how it's getting degraded from alkyne to alkane, from alkene to alkyne, how it's getting upgraded, all related to reaction. So very nice chapter, very easy chapter. General organic chemistry, GOC. It comes around 4.5 to 6%. Very vast range, beautiful chapter. It really takes a lot of hard work. Every question in this chapter is framed differently. That's why the chapter is difficult. And the next chapter is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is a very nice chapter but is very difficult. All the exceptions, all the valencies of carbon, remember everything from chemical bonding. It's very important chapter. It comes around 8%. So do chemical bonding with all the love. Take the chemical bonding and bind it straight into your head so that you get maximum marks in NEET. Okay guys, see you. Bye bye.